Now we are introducing a symbol for integration. Now what type of a symbol is used? Now symbol used is like this. This is called symbol for the integration. Okay. Now what we are having fx dx integration. This is the symbol for a function fx dx. Not we are writing now, which will represent the entire class of antiderivatives. This will represent entire class of derivatives, of antiderivative, sorry, of antiderivative read as the, now read as the, a very nice term, as the indefinite integral. Indefinite integral of f with respect to x. So now what we have started indefinite integral, because we are having two things. One is indefinite integral and second is definite integral. There is lot of difference in between these two. So right now we will be going for indefinite integral first. Okay. Now symbolically what this is, we are writing it integration of fx dx is equal to fx plus c. Okay. So now this is the symbol. Now we are going to, especially I am going to do it, what? Going to tell you what basically this symbol represents, what is this symbol integration, what is fx, what is x in it. Okay, like this I am going to go systematically for this part, and then we will be going for the formulas.